Johannes, mic is yours.
Thank you. Thank you very much, and thank you for coming back.
Paldies, ka neaizmukāt.
Yeah, well, you see, good coffee works miracles, right?
Laba kafija dara brīnums.
Yeah, but you see, I find an interesting phenomenon. We usually have coffee, and after the third or fourth coffee, the people sleep, and there will be no attention anymore given.
Interesants fenomens, ka pēc kādas 3. 4. kafijas cilvēki jau tāpat pamazām aizmiega.
So, anyway, let's continue. So what we have done until now, we looked into a cycle of society-relevant church work.
Un tad līdz šim mēs skatījāmies, kāds ir tas cikls, kā mēs varam veikt draudzes aktivitātes, kas ir atbilstošas vietējai kopienai.
In this cycle, we said, well, the first step is